How to replace your broken Speedlight flash. So this shoe is knackered. So if I zoom in there, I don't know if you can see that, because it's a wedding shooting it. I wasn't there as the paid photographer. I was shooting it. She was a friend of the family, and let's just say this is bossed. So what I need to do is replace it. I didn't know initially, because I've had flashes for about 10-12 years, that you could do it. So what we need to do is tackle these 4 screws here. So if I take that off screen and allow you to see, so if I move that there. So what we want to do, take those 4 screws out, keep them safe. So first thing we want to do, get the battery out. Don't know if there's any charge in there, but it's been a couple of weeks. So let's undo these. I believe, I don't know yet, I haven't opened the replacement yet, that there might not be replacement screws. That's right. And this desk looks like nice one piece, but if the screws fell behind there, I probably wouldn't be able to recover them, because this desk is fixed to the wall. So again, I've got the replacement from Amazon. I will leave links to that. Again, they do for all different brands. This is Sony, but I've had the Canon flashes and third-party flashes compatible with Canon. So that's that. So if I can see there is a ribbon, I believe, which we need to be careful with. So that ribbon there, I move that up there, if you can see. We need to be careful. Now, I use the flash for various things, but also for YouTube thumbnails. So I take photos. So that comes out. So yeah, I need a decent flash. This triggers a big studio flash. I have pared down my kit. I used to have loads years ago. I am looking at a just a trigger, just to trigger these, and that's what I was going to do. So let's open what's in the bag. I'll take it off in a minute so we don't oh, do I need to unlock this? Yeah. So if I unlock that, I believe this is all metal now, whereas this was plastic. So that, yeah, runs through. So apparently that's going to be, the aftermarket fix is better than the initial one. I do believe the newer models may have metal fixings. So what we're going to do is slide that in and try to do that. Now, I would say if you had okay, let's go. Let's see. Now, I was going to say a younger child or a lady who doesn't have sausage fingers, they might be able to get it in easier, but that's in. That's in. May have to put it on a say a memory cloth to stop it sliding as you're doing your test. So let's get this screwed in. We'll go and find it. I'll screw these in. I need to lay it down. I'll screw these in and we'll come back to see how this worked. That's it. Did find it, fortunately. So last screw. Battery in. Right, so the flash is working in its own right. Let's try on the camera. Yeah, I actually lost the opportunity to take some shots because it needed flash when I was at that. Okay, let's turn on the flash, see if that works now. Yeah, super. Job done. So I'll leave links in the description. There are aftermarkets for all the major brands, as well as the third parties. So hopefully that was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up. And generally I do videos on content creation, but without this working, I couldn't create content. So it is part of content creation.